Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Warzone 2 crashing easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then go to Windows Update Settings. Now make sure to install all the updates that you can find and then go back and go to GeForce Experience, and after that once you're here all you have to do, go to drivers, make sure your driver is updated, and that's it. Restart your PC, and after restarting your PC open Task Manager and then close all the applications that you don't need, like Google Chrome or any VPN or stuff like that. Just keep scrolling and close all the applications that you don't need with playing, but you will need to know what they do before closing them. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and see you in the next video.